Hello everyone, welcome to online lecture series on functions of several variables. This is lecture number 26. In this lecture I will explain problem number 2, tangent planes and normal lines, problem number 2. Find the equations of the tangent plane and the normal to the surface x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz is equal to 3 at point 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Now the solution is x given x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz minus 3 equal to 0 comma point 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Now let capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz minus 3. Okay. Now partial derivative of f with respect to xyz. Then dou f by dou x is equal to, what is the derivative of x cube? 3x square plus here y constant, constant derivative 0 plus 3 into with respect to x, so 3yz constant, x derivative 1 minus constant derivative 0, that is equal to 3x square plus 3yz. Okay, right. Now next, dou f by dou y is equal to, with respect to y, xz constant, so x cube derivative 0 plus y cube derivative 3y square plus here 3xz constant, y derivative 1, x constant derivative 0, that is equal to 3y square plus 3xz. Right. Next, dou f by dou z, with respect to z, xy constant, so x cube derivative 0 plus y cube derivative 0, 3xy constant, z derivative 1 minus constant derivative 0, so that equal to 3x. Okay, right. Now dou f by dou x value, 3x square plus 3yz. Right. Next, dou f by dou y value, dou f by dou x value, this one. Next, dou f by dou y is equal to 3y square plus 3xz comma dou f by dou z value 3xy at the point 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. So what is value of dou f by dou x is equal to x value 1 into 3 into 1 whole square plus y value 2, z value minus 1. Okay, right. So finally that is equal to 3. This is minus 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. 3. This is minus 6. 3 minus 6 minus 3. Next, dou f by dou y is equal to 3 into what is y? 2. This is x, y, z. Next, plus 3 into x1, z minus 1. So that equal to 2 square 4 into 3, 12, 12 minus 3, 9. Okay, so 12 minus 3, 9. Next, dou f by dou z, 3 into x value 1, x value 1, y value 2. Right, finally 6. Right, here dou f by dou x minus 3, dou f by dou y 9. Okay, right. Next, dou f by dou z 6. So finally hence the equation of the tangent plane at point 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Right. Then dou f by dou x into x minus x plus dou f by dou y into y minus y plus dou f by dou z z minus small z is equal to 0 right? What is dou f by dou x? Minus 3. Capital X minus what is small x? 1 plus what is dou f by dou y? 9. What is small y? Minus 2. Next, what is dou f by dou z? 6. Capital Z minus what is small z? Minus 1. Minus into minus equal to 0. Right? This is minus 3x plus 3 plus 9y minus 18. This is plus 6z minus plus 6 equal to 0. Okay? Right. Now minus 3x plus 9y plus 6z. So here plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 minus 18 equal to 0. Minus 3x plus 9y plus 6z minus 9 equal to 0. 3 tables. Minus 3 tables. Plus x minus 3y minus 2z plus 3 equal to 0. Okay? Right. Now, this is equation number 1. This is the equation of the tangent to the surface at the point 1 comma 2 comma minus. Next one. What is dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x equal to minus 3. Dou f by dou y. Dou f by dou y 9. Dou f by dou z. Dou f by dou z 6. Right. Now, hence also the equation of normal to the surface at 1 comma 2 comma minus 1, right? Now capital X minus small x by dou f by dou x is equal to capital Y minus small y by dou f by dou y is equal to capital Z minus small z by dou f by dou small z, right? Now so capital X minus what is small x? 1 by dou f by dou x value minus 3. Capital Y minus small y by what is dou f by dou y? 9. That equal to capital Z minus small z by what is dou f by dou z? 6. Right. So this is equation of the normal to the surface at the point 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Next, problem number 3. Find the equations of the tangent plane and the normal to the surface. 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x is equal to 7 at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Okay, right. Now the solution is given 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x is equal to 7 at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Now 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x minus 7 equal to 0. Let capital F of x comma y comma z is equal to 2x z square minus 3xy minus 4x minus 7. First, we have to find out partial derivative of f with respect to x, y, z. Then dou f by dou x is equal to, with respect to x, so y z are constant. So 2z square constant, x derivative 1 minus 3y constant, x derivative 1 plus 4 into x derivative 1 minus constant derivative 0. Now finally that equal to 2z square minus 3y minus 4. Okay, right. Next, dou f by dou y. With respect to y, x, z are constant. So this one derivative 0 minus 3x constant, y derivative 1 minus 0 equal to minus 3x. Next, dou f by dou z. With respect to z, xy constant. So 2x constant, z square derivative 2z minus 0 minus 0 minus 0. Right. Finally 4xz. Right. Now the values of dou f by dou x is equal to 2z square minus 3y minus 4 comma dou f by dou y is equal to minus 3x. Next, dou f by dou z is equal to 4xz. Okay, at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, then what is dou f by dou x? Dou f by dou x, 2 into z value 2 square minus 3 into y value minus 1 minus 4, that equal to 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 11, 11 minus 4 7. Okay, right. So next one dou f by dou y minus 3 into what is x? 1, that equal to minus 3. Next, dou f by dou z, 4 into what is x? 1, what is z? 2 is equal to 8. Okay, right. 7 minus 3 8. Okay, right. Now hence the equation of the tangent plane to the surface at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. So therefore the formula is dou f by dou x into capital X minus x, dou f by dou y into capital Y minus small y, dou f by dou z into capital Z minus small z is equal to 0. So what is dou f by dou x? 7 into x minus what is small x? 1 plus what is dou f by dou y? Dou f by dou y minus 3 into capital Y minus what is small y? Minus 1 plus what is dou f by dou z? 8 capital Z minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, right. Now 7x minus 7 minus 3y minus 3y, this is minus minus plus, so minus 3. Next, plus 8z minus 16 equal to 0. Right. 7x minus 3y plus 8z. So here minus 7 minus 3 minus 10 minus 26 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation number 1. Now the also the equation of the normal to the surface at 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Right. So what is the formula? Capital X minus small x by dou f by dou x. Capital Y minus small y by dou f by dou y is equal to capital Z minus small z by dou f by dou z. Okay. Right. Now dou f by dou z. Right. Now this is dou f by dou x. This is dou f by dou y. This is dou f by dou z. Okay. Right. Now that is equal to capital X minus what is small x? 1 by dou f by dou x 7 is equal to capital Y minus of minus plus 1 by minus 3 dou f by dou y minus 3 that is equal to capital Z minus what is z? 2 by dou f by dou z 8. Right. So this is the equation of the normal to the surface at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. This is the equation of the tangent to the surface at the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 2. Okay. Right. Thank you.